Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I organize my freezer, and I'm super excited to be doing this because my freezer is such a pain in the butt. I have the kind of refrigerator where you open it like French door style, and it's a long skinny freezer, and then like the other side is bigger, that's the fridge side, and I just hate the freezer. I really do, because it's so skinny and awkward. Things are constantly falling out of it, and I just need to do something about it because it's driving me absolutely nuts. If I could do it over again, I never would have gotten this type of refrigerator. I've never had this kind before. Growing up, we had just like the classic top and bottom where it was kind of like, I don't know, it wasn't fancy. And then in my apartment, it was kind of like that. And then when I moved here, I just got the appliances that came with the house. So yeah, if I could do it all over again, I think I would probably get the big refrigerator up top. Like, I wouldn't mind if it had two doors, but then the freezer that you like pull out on the bottom. So anyway, lesson learned, but we're gonna try to make the best of it. So I'm trying to, by the way, I'm like not complaining. I know that it's like a nice refrigerator and everything like that, but it's just kind of a pain in the butt. So anyway, let's go ahead and do that, and let's go get started. So here is the before. I've actually been eating out of my freezer a lot recently. I feel like I had accumulated way too much stuff, so I haven't really done too much food shopping. But here's what's in here right now. And as you can see, like when you have a lot of stuff, I swear things just start like falling out. Like typically when I open this up, it's like I'm like trying to catch everything. So right now I just have like, I probably shouldn't have this way. I should actually probably have like the healthier stuff up top. But I have like stuff for my smoothies, ice cream. Nothing's organized. I just kind of have whatever, like breads and stuff. Trader Joe's stuff. If meat goes on sale, I tend to buy it and freeze it because it's a good deal. And then I just have this drawer, which is kind of a pain as well because you can't see what you have. And then I have these little like things on the door, but it's super annoying because there's a hole right here. So for example, I have these ice packs and I can't put these ice packs in here, otherwise they'll like slip through this crack, which is so annoying. So let me show you what I bought to try to organize this, and we'll see what we can do. Okay, so here is what we're going to be working with. I got these containers at Ross. I feel like Ross is kind of pretty much everywhere around the country, but kind of like a TJ Maxx. But I find that their stuff is pretty cheap. Not that Marshalls and TJ Maxx aren't, but these were $3.99 for a 2-pack. You could also probably find something similar at the dollar store. In fact, I know that you could find something similar at the dollar store, but these looked like pretty good quality, and I really liked these colors. Sorry, the lighting like super sucks right now. It's such a gloomy day, but it's kind of like a nice light pink color, and then the gray. So I got 2 of those. I'm not sure we're gonna need all of them, but I got them just in case, and then I can always return what I don't use. And then I got just 2 of these, and I figured I could just like, I don't know. I probably should have planned ahead, but I just thought I could use them, and they matched. So this was $2.99 for 2 of these, so only $1.50 each. Like I said, I'll return them if I don't end up using them. And the whole thing only costs $11.74. So, not bad. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to empty everything and put it on the counter, and then see what I have, and then try to figure out how I can group things together in those little baskets. So let me go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you where I'm at. Okay, so it's completely empty now, and what I'm finding is that it's pretty gross actually. Look how gross that is. So I'm going to quickly clean this out, and then we were going to organize, and I'll show you everything that was in my freezer. Alright, so here's everything that was in my freezer. I actually didn't realize I had this much stuff still, so we'll have to see if everything is still good. So yeah, I have crab meat. You saw I had these little flatbreads. These are really good for lunches. I always get the berries and the strawberries at Publix. I use that for smoothies. These are amazing. They're so good. They're like, they have a cookie at the bottom, ice cream, and then it's covered in chocolate. They're so good. And then I realized I had 2 of these sweet potato fries from Trader Joe's. Here's the other one, because one of them was buried in the back of the freezer and I didn't even realize it. So I have 2 opened of that. Bacon, these are super good from Trader Joe's. And if you do Weight Watchers, these are super low on points actually. They're the chicken cilantro mini wontons. I had these for dinner last night. They're so good. Bread, I buy bread like baguettes at Costco. Because it's cheaper, and then I just freeze them, and then every time I want some I just take one of those out and let it defrost. I was gonna try like making like pita things, not making them, they're obviously already here, but I was gonna like cut them up and like eat hummus with them, but I never did that. So bread, bacon, I love these are from Trader Joe's too. Hispanic pitas are so good. They're filled with spinach, ricotta cheese, and feta cheese. They are amazing. A few ice packs. From BJ's, it was really good. You need to like put something on it though, otherwise it's kind of bland because it's like a white fish. But it's sea bass, so good. I like putting pesto on that. More bread, meatballs, more meatballs. I found a pumpkin pie at the bottom. I didn't know I had this. I wonder if this is expired. Let's see. Best by June 5th. Nope, I still have some time. Ice packs. Breakfast sausage. This is ground turkey for making tacos. Shrimp. Shredded chicken for the dogs in case they get like an upset stomach. These are just like little frozen pumpkin things that I put in ice trays. My dogs eat pumpkin with their food every morning and night because it's good for their digestive system, in case you were wondering. Nobody cares. But Klondike bars, I love these. These go BOGO at Publix all the time, so get those. And then I also at Costco, I like to buy the chicken breasts. It comes in like, I don't know how many of these. This whole thing, it comes in like a big package. I think maybe like 8 of them or something like that come in a package. And then they come like nicely portioned because there's 2 chicken breasts in each of these. So every time I want to have chicken, I just take one of these out and then it's perfect. So it's a good little hack if you live by yourself, or it's just like you and your husband, or you and your boyfriend, or whatever. Like, it just makes it easy because it can be hard cooking for one person, but I find that buying things that are frozen sometimes makes it a little bit easier. So anyway, not that you came to this video to see what was in my freezer, but now you did. So now I'm gonna try to bring over the baskets, see how we can group some of this stuff together, and then yeah, I'll show you what I come up with. Alright, so I decided I should probably make sure these fit in the freezer before I start stocking everything. And so here's what I think I'm going to do. I'm going to do one of these bigger bins and one of these little bins fit perfectly on every shelf. So I'm going to do 2 and 2. And then I'm going to put one basket right here. You can fit 2, but it like goes all the way to the back. So I think I'm just going to put one basket or like do something like that, just depending. And then look how like convenient this is. So this is like an awkward, you probably can't tell, but it goes down and then it slopes upward and it's super like awkward. This little basket like fits on here. Like these little lips of it fit perfectly and it just like slides. So I can like make use of that negative space with that basket. So I don't know what I'm gonna put in there, but I'm super excited about it. Maybe ice creams or something because it's kind of like in the back bottom of the freezer, so I'm not tempted to always have a dessert. So anyway, everything fits. So now I'm gonna unload it again, and like I said, now I'm gonna show you how I organize it.
Fall apart, you begin to cry. The tears are making you blind. The future's far away, but I'll stay. I'll stay. Just take can't run from what I feel inside. There's no more time to hide, because I feel again. I feel again. Oh, now.
Alright, so I'm running into a little bit of a snag. I I need this shelf to be higher. I want it to go right here, which clearly seems to be possible, because then I don't know why else they wouldn't, like, why would they have that there? But I cannot figure out how to get this thing out. Like, it was so stuck in there. I'm so annoyed. I don't know what to do. No, that's about the ice maker. All right. Stay tuned. I'm gonna try to figure this out. All right, guys. So here is the final product. I'm gonna walk you through what is in every bin, and I actually have a lot more space left over for these kind of annoying door shelves, but there's nothing in them, so that kind of feels good just to know I have some space to work with. So I ended up not being able to figure out this whole situation, but ended up just making it work. So right here I have 2 of the frozen ground turkeys, and then in this one, in this basket, I have all of the chicken breasts and then this sea bass. So basically kind of like a protein, like kind of like healthy. I don't know why I keep saying, like, air quoting it, because I feel like all that stuff actually is healthy. I just feel like it goes downhill from there. But so yeah, kind of like main dishes. So like the main thing that I would be having for that meal is kind of on this top shelf. So turkey, chicken, fish, and then in this basket I have those shrimp, and then I have the 2 things back here for the dogs. This is that turkey breast or chicken breast, and then the pumpkin things for them. So that's that. The next shelf, these are kind of like, I feel like everything in here is basically from Trader Joe's, but these are kind of sides or like little appetizers. So those chicken wontons, the sweet potato fries, hold this up with my knee, meatballs. So kind of like an accompanying dish. In here is more like breakfast stuff. So I have the sausage, the bacon, I have some extra sausage in there because I didn't eat anything. So that fits nice. And then this is all like breads. So those baguettes that I showed you, all my flatbreads for lunch, and then these little baguettes right here. And then on the bottom, I'm actually really happy with how this ended up working out. In this little slide thing right here, I have the all of my ice cream, so it's kind of tucked away. And then my other treats, which is my fruit that I use for these smoothies. And then underneath there, I wish that this could have fit up here, but it just didn't fit nicely, so that's okay. But these 2 things are in boxes. I have the pumpkin pie, Hispanic pita, and then these fit really nicely right on top of here. And I can still like really easily like grab an ice cream. It's not like a hassle. And then over here I just have 2 of my ice packs on the door, and this is kind of holding it from falling out. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it if you did. Please consider subscribing. If you like videos like these, leave some suggestions in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
I feel again.